Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new database template called the Microsoft Access Personal Banker Appointment Tracking Database.
This database is not currently on our website, but will be added soon. So when it is added to the website, you will simply find it on the database template list page, open up that web page, download the demonstration that corresponds with the current version of Microsoft Access that your computer is running on. Once you download that, you open the file, and this is the screen you will be taken to. And you need to extract all that file, so hit extract all once you get to this screen, then hit extract. Once you've extracted the file, go ahead and open the file now. And so this database template is perfect for if you're a personal banker and maybe you need to keep track of all your appointments, all your customers, all your clients, all of that stuff. But if you like this database template, but maybe you're not a personal banker and you want to make it compatible for another type of company or another employment that you do, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can make this database template and customize it to meet any requirement or need that you do have. So to get started here, we're going to start by adding a new customer. And we are just going to add a test customer. We're not going to fill out all this information. But as I'm going through this demonstration, you will notice that you will see some other data and information that is already in the database template. That was just added for the sake of a demonstration. If you purchase the database template, you'll be able to implement all of your own information and data. So we'll fill out a name, email, and phone number. But as you can see, you can fill out a lot of stuff on this page. You can fill out addresses, a picture of the customer, notes about them, call history, appointment history, payment history, a lot of stuff. It's a pretty detailed section. We're just going to fill out this for now for the sake of the demo. So go ahead and hit save and close. And now what you can do is you can search for that customer. So if you had a ton of customers in your database and maybe you just need to search one specific one to find out his address or to find out previous information about them, you can do that. So if you simply search test by the first name, hit search, you will see that this is one customer that was already added to the database template, like I said, but this is the one we just created. And what you can even do is you can double click this customer now if you want to edit it or view any information about them. So go ahead and double click it and it brings you back to this, and you're able now to go add in notes, add in call history, you can add in anything. You can add in a picture of them, anything. So it's pretty detailed, it's pretty cool. I won't be editing anything for now, so go ahead and close out of that. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the calendar view and we're gonna make an appointment. So it brings us to today, April 28th, 2016, and it brings us in as on the daily view. But we have weekly view, bi-weekly view, monthly view, month and daily view. So there's a lot of different views that you can do. So we're gonna go back to daily view, and we're gonna make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So go ahead and just double click this section right here. And we're gonna say the customer was the one I just created. And the personal banker, like I said, this is just some test information that is in here. We'll do personal banker 1. And we're gonna say it's an individual meeting. Location, we'll keep it simple, location 1. And you will also see that the invoice amount updated to $50 because within here we have the prices, how much each appointment costs, and so it updates in regards to that. And like I said, we'll make it 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And like you can see here, you can even add in multiple workers. So let's say you're gonna have a meeting, but you're gonna have multiple workers meet with them. You can add in other workers, and you can also fill out how they're gonna pay for the meeting. So go back to appointment details here, and we're gonna actually select a custom color. And this is going to be for organizational problems. So if you hit save and close now, you'll see that this shows up in green. The reason why that's important is because if you were going to have multiple appointments at maybe the same time, or maybe back-to-back appointments, or like I said, appointments at the same time but with a different employee, you can do that. And if you color code it, it's going to keep it really organized, and you'll be able to tell when one begins, when one ends, and keep them separate from each other. It's easy on the eyes. So if you go to monthly view now, this is what it looks like on monthly view, and like I said, you can see it's the individual test. And you can even double click it if you want to go back to the daily view to edit the information. Double click it again and you can edit any of this information. Oops. Go ahead and close out of this. And the other thing you can do is you can search for that appointment now. So let's say you maybe wanted to search for all appointments at location 1, or maybe all appointments that start today or tomorrow or end tomorrow. All that good stuff. You can search by all those different criteria. So we'll just keep it simple, do location 1 and hit run search. And now there's that appointment that we had created. It shows up right here, individual location 1, personal banker 1, and customer test. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty detailed, and you can even double click it and it brings you back to the calendar view. Go ahead and close out of this. And so I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media platform. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.